Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is sandralusati. If you are new, make sure to subscribe down below. Now that you know how to plan your year effectively, you can check that video out. I will link it up here. I am going to be showing you how to create a vision board. The first thing you want to do is to write down your vision on paper. That will make it easier for you to plan out what you want on your vision board, the color schemes and pictures and all that. Pictures are an important aspect when it comes to creating your own vision board. It actually helps you to envision yourself in that specific position, and it motivates you every day to go after that goal, that vision that you're seeing for yourself. On your vision board, you can have quotes that motivate you and encourage you every day to get up and go after what you want, or you can put pictures. You don't have to have a specific color scheme or anything like that, but just create a vision board that you know is suited for you. Ooh, I love this. Love yourself enough to give yourself the gift of health. I'm definitely saving this. I'll just look on Pinterest. I usually get pictures from Pinterest. This is actually my first vision board that I'll be doing, so I'm just gonna browse through Pinterest and see what I can put on my vision board, and at the end I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks. Using Canva to create my own collage. I already logged in. I'm gonna go to create design and then go to desktop wallpaper. You can also create one for your cell phone. There's also a cell phone wallpaper option. And now we have a blank canvas. You can put on some text, some pictures. I already got my pictures from Pinterest and some quotes here and there. All I'm gonna do is just edit them onto the blank canvas. All I'm doing now is first uploading the media right there. It says upload media. I'm adding all the pictures that I want on my blank canvas so that it can be easier for me to drag them from here onto the canvas. This is how my vision board is looking so far. I just added all the elements that I want to achieve this year. I want to be more fit. I want to spend more quality time reading my Bible and to grow my hair as long as I can. Every vision board is going to be tailor-made specifically for what you want to achieve. I'm going to place this on my phone as well as on my laptop. So every time I just look at my phone, I will see exactly what my goal is, my vision is for the year. And yeah, my vision board is all done for 2020. I actually have two. The other one is my personal goal setting vision board that I'm not going to show anyone because some goals need to be kept secret, but this one is just my fitness as well as self-care goals that I want to achieve this year. If you do create a vision board that you would like to share, please do tag me on Instagram at sandralusati and I will definitely check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, right down there, and hit the notification bell as well so that you can be part of the notification gang. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.